Welcome to Jamieson House, an architectural landmark in downtown Vancouver. This high-floor residence offers you stunning city, water, and mountain views. With 24-hour concierge and luxury finishes and an automated valet, it's a true blend of innovative design and convenience in the city. Call me today to book your tour.
Promise not to.